Something greater than this, and I'm right with anticipation. Yeah, I have a good feeling, staring at the starry ceiling, a dream in my heart. Yeah, this is just the start. My suitcase is packed and I'm wheeling. I'm on the move, out into the great wide open. Look out, world, here I come. Hoist up my sails and ride the wind.
Hello, welcome to my new series, Farm Life and Homesteading. My name is Cherish. I live on a equestrian farm, a horse farm, with my senior husky dog named Zen and my horse named Kudos. I have been away all summer adventuring and making short films, and now it is time to come back to the farm and get some work done. There's a lot of work and prep and things to be done as the end of summer winds down and we get ready for fall. I am going to be covering a ton of things in this series, from taking care of horses to all the maintenance that has to be done on working on or living on a property or a farm, to growing food, harvesting food, what we're gonna cook with that food. I am on a mission to learn to bake the best fresh farm pie with a regular crust and a gluten-free crust. So me and my friend Sarah are going to be working on that. We're gonna bake the pies with everything that's been grown on the property. So berries, apples, pumpkins. So I'm excited to go on that mission because right now I have no idea how to bake a pie, let alone the perfect pie. We are going to go over a lot of fun things like how to build an outdoor cowgirl bathtub. We are going to go over adding to my tiny home here on the farm and adding a second heat source. Just all sorts of cool things like that. Of course, there'll be me of riding my horse. I'm going to really show how the property changes over the seasons. We get a lot of wildlife in the fall that come into the property. That's also really cool. For today, I have to start restaining all the horse shelters and some of the fences, but it is currently 30 degrees out here. That's 30 degrees Celsius if you don't live in Canada, and it's so friggin' hot. So it is still summer. It's like the end of August. I am gonna take a break and go swimming for sure. I really want to start to introduce you guys to some of the horses around the property. Of course, you'll see Zen Dog. Right now, for now, I want to show you some of the food we have growing in the garden, because behind you guys is a kiwi tree, 8-foot tall sunflowers, and some pumpkin and squashes. So let me show you around here for a bit. Then at some point we're gonna go swimming. Tonight, we're gonna get to doing some maintenance and restaining some shelters and show you guys around the property when the sun's setting here at night. It's gorgeous. Here is the kiwi tree, and then when you tuck yourself underneath, look at them all. There's so many. So exciting. I can't wait to try one. Flowers are spicy and they're so good. I put them in salads and things. The taste that you get is so good. Another thing you will be seeing on this channel, and I will be talking a lot about, is compost. We like to refer to it as black gold. We sell some of the best compost on the island. It's been Master Gardener recommended. It's part of the Organic Aerosmith Gardening Group. It's been in a magazine. So I sell compost, we produce it, I deliver it to people in the city and town, kind of all over the mid-island area, and they use it to grow their own food, grow their own flowers, and it's really cool actually delivering and doing the drop-offs because you do see everybody's setups, and some people have been doing it for years, their whole life, and their whole yard is just this gorgeous ecosystem that's just thriving of food and flowers, and other people are brand new and they're super excited about it, and they tell me like their plans and of what they're starting and what they're going to do. So those piles that you saw coming in are different piles that will be ready for different months. We are getting into the end of summer, and there will be a quick compost for the fall as everybody gets their beds ready. So right now I have bagged compost that I need to bring up to what we would refer to as the pickup rack because I have somebody coming to pick some up. So I would love to get into that more with you guys later about our soil and how it's full of live organisms and why that is important.
I've got outlaws on my trail and a chicken store to sell. They're coming down here looking for a fight. I've got scoundrels on my mind and I'm just buying time. I've got outlaws on my trail tonight.
Sundog! What you doing? Sleeping? Seems like it's way too hot out.
I've been working like a dog, day and night, trying to finish up this job and do it right. There's only a few things that a man like me needs, and Jesus whiskey, and you're right next to me.
I am getting ready to get started here, and of course some of the boys have already come over to check things out. Hey, hi Addie. That's Addie. That's Quinn. Say hi, Quinn. Oh, that's a dirty nose. And that over there is Cooper. Do you want to help, Quinn? Want to give a hand? And through here, checking it out from the other side, is Cash. Hi, Cash. Can I have that back, please? I haven't even started yet. Drop it. My goodness. Okay, we're gonna leave the camera stuff alone, and we're gonna leave the staining stuff alone. Can we agree to that, please? Okay. Thank you very much. Oh goodness. I wonder why it has dirt in it. Where'd it go? I am now missing the can opener to open the paint. Gee, I wonder where it went. Can you guys stop? Stop it, you guys. Seriously. There is a reason why I wanted to do this paddock work. Don't touch the camera. Quinn, don't. I just said don't touch it. I found this, so let's try and open this friggin' can. Cooper, no.
Singing, hey honey, I'm coming home. I don't know why I'm gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey honey, I'm coming home soon. that you put your time into him. Hell of a woman, sweet red wine, and how you choose.
Okay, if you guys touch this, it's your own fault. Back here you go. So it is currently 7 p.m. and it's still like 25 degrees out in the shade. So it's pretty darn hot. I am like sweating. I am trying to hide in the shade for now and do the shady sides and just do what I can. It is supposed to be this hot all week and this still needs to get done. So I'm just gonna be doing this here and there as much as I can. There are so many of these to do. It's not the only one. So I will just keep chipping away at it.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
Come right here. Come here. Here you go. Hey, tell me, guy, how you doing? Oh. Good boy. Cheers. You gonna say hi to everybody, Zen Dog? Hey? He has had his dinner and now he's looking for some late night snacks, aren't you? And it's really, really hot during the day, so at night he comes alive after sleeping all day. And now he's gonna get crazy eyes, aren't you? I like to come out here in the evenings a lot of the times and just unwind and relax and do a lot of thinking out here. I swear I could write a book called like Front Porch Philosophies. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much. This is very much an intro to the whole farm life and homesteading series. If you're new here, you could think about subscribing because we're gonna have a lot of cool stuff coming up on this channel. If you have already subscribed, then welcome, welcome. The Outlaw crew is pretty cool around here and we're happy to have you. We have a lot of stuff to do around the farm for the end of summer, all of fall, and of course even into winter. So I'm looking forward to showing you guys what's all involved with that and everything that goes along with it. As always, we will see you in the next one.
I'm pedal down and right on track. I'm ready for this ride. I'm running wild. Ride the lightning. empty the ring.